G'day folks, and welcome to another edition of MDC Masterclass. Today we're going to talk about a potential problem with camper trailers that can actually ruin your camper: condensation and moisture. Today I'll show you a couple of products that will help you nip it in the bud and make sure that you don't open your camper to a mouldy tent. This product here is a moisture absorber bucket. Now this is great for placing in your camper, anywhere will do, and it will suck all the moisture out of the air while your camper's packed up. This is exceptionally good when you've packed your camper up on a humid day. If you've packed up and it's 90% relative humidity on a hot day, when your camper's sitting at home all packed up and the temperature cools, a lot of the moisture in that air is going to turn into condensation. With this little guy, it'll all be inside the bucket. One source of condensation that people rarely give any thought to, believe it or not, is underneath your mattress. We've got a couple of warm bodies laying on the mattress overnight. We've got cold air underneath. What will happen is you'll get a dew point created underneath the mattress between the board. How do we rectify that? Very easy. These guys are a moisture absorbing satchel. What we do, take it out of the packet and then pop it underneath the mattress. That'll help draw the moisture away and keep it from ruining your bedding and your canvas. Picture this, we've been on holidays, we're up in the tropics, and it's time to pack up our camper and go home. By placing these inside the camper, what you'll prevent is all that warm, moist air inside the camper becoming cold when you get home and turning into condensation, which then can cause the tent to go mouldy. Doing this is a great insurance policy. The further north you are, the more you want to consider buying extra of these and packing in the camper. So that handy tip could save you thousands in tent replacement. So get on it, get down to Bunnings, get the things you need. For more great tips and tricks like this, head over to our website and look up the Masterclass library.